this top is so cute, but it simply does not fit me right here. I always buy tops like this and they just simply never fit up here. If you're like a size A, B, or like small C, this top will look so freaking cute on you. Look at the design from the back. Like the bandeau obviously wraps around and then that's how it looks like from the back. This is such a nice, like super thick material where you can't see anything through. Like it's like that white that's double lined and you can't see anything through. I like it, but it doesn't fit. So like I said, if you're like an A, B, or small C, this would be good. I wish companies would make these exact tops for bigger chest. But anyways, if you guys want to get this top, link is right here.
38 pesos. Okay, code ng 9. Code ng 9. Ha? Wala, tinitingnan ko kung makailan na tayo. Okay, wala kay 9. Ay, sila naman. Wala na 11, te. Ano? Gulo. Ano natin ito kung ng box natin. Kaya naman ba to? Nakatakot, baka matumba. Ay, meron pa, madam. Wait lang. Ito? Meron, madam, random flex. Meron yan. Hello sa mga bagong join. Ay, yun ang bunot. 138 pesos. Ayun o, medium. Pang medium, madam. May shorty sa loob. 138. Pwede mag-lock, pwede mag-super lock. Code ng 7. Medium code ng 7. Okay, 138 pesos. Code ng 7. Walang nag-lock. Tampo. Next tayo. XL na ganun. Alam ko may mga ganun na XL. Pero random lang talaga siya, madam. Next size. Ano to? Pang large. Size large, madam. 138. Code ng 5. Yes, new arrival. Large, madam, code 5. Bundo. 138 pesos, code ng 5. Madam Yodge. Yours na to, Madam Yodge. 138. Wala kay 5. Oh my God. Okay, next. Next. Medium to large. Self-tie. Medium hanggang large, code 3. Okay. 3 ang code, 138 pesos. Code ng 3. Okay, next. Size medium. Ayun. Olo po, Roche Gold, 138. Medium, madam, code ng 10. Uy. 138 pang medium, code ng 10. 138. Okay, next tayo, madam. Size ay large. Here. Size large. 138, madam, code ng 7. Pang large. Ang ganda. Code ng 7. Ay, yun ang mga magaganda, sis. Okay, next tayo. Ang mahal din sa US ng swimsuit. $30! Oh my God. Okay, how to order? Kapag betsong mo yung item, madam, main mo lang siya. Large sis, ganito medium. Hindi, maliit siya. Small to medium lang to, madam. Small to medium. 138 code ng 5. Sino yung naghanap ng white? Okay, small to medium code ng 5. 138. Ano lang kami, madam? Philippines lang. Okay, next tayo. Wala kay 5. Oh, small. Okay, size small, 138, code ng 9. Pang small, madam. Nakakaputi, no? Code ng 9, 138. Okay, uuwi na lang talaga. Madam siya. Okay, small. Size small, 138 pesos. Code ako ng 5. Pang small, madam. Code ng 5. Code 5. 138. Uy. Small. Pang small, madam. Okay, 138. Code ng 8. Pang small. Code ng 8, madam. 138 pesos. Okay, next. Uy. Size medium. Pang medium. Ay, ito maganda to sis. 138. Okay. Pang medium. Code ng 5. Code ng 5 sis. Kinuha ng kapatid mo, madam. Okay, 5 ang code pang medium mo. Ang ganda nyan. 138. 138 petot. Okay, 5 ni madam. Uy, papalda. Size small. Small, papalda. Ang ganda ng skirt ko. 138, code ng 17. Pang small, code ng 17. May panty, tapos padded na rin siya. 17 ang code, pang small, 138. Madam Ella, yours na. SSD 138. Oh my God! Wala sa 1.7. Okay, next tayo, XL. Extra large. Okay, 138 pesos, madam. Code ng 2. Pang XL, code 2. Sabi mo muna ito. Okay, code ng 2, 138. Okay, extra small, meron, madam. Meron. Abang-abang ka lang dyan, sis. Okay, isa na yung double XL kanina. Okay, 2XL, madam. Peachy ka dito. Code ng 3. Double XL. Code ng 3, madam. 138. Code 3.